How to log into Exodus Wallet account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Exodus Wallet app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Exodus and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna see the option of I have a wallet or create wallet. In order to log into your account, click on the option of I have a wallet. Here you're gonna find different options to log into your wallet: QR code, backup vault, and secret phase. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. If you select secret phase, now you have to type in the secret phase over here. If you have backup the vault, you can click on the option of backup vault, and with that you will be logged into your account. Or else you can use the QR code. Just click on the option, then select the device that you would like to sync to, and with that you will be logged into your account. Using any of these options, you can easily log into your wallet. So that's the wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into Exodus Wallet account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.